cool. It might make you feel better.
Yeah, probably. Welcome back to Saturday Daybreak. We have the one and the only Julianne Bitely here. What an introduction, right?
Yes, thank you. And I'm so glad that you learned how to say the word of what we are making
Kombucha.
today. Kombucha.
What is it? What does it mean? Do you know? I mean,
yes.
What is it?
Plainly put, it's fermented tea.
That's it?
That's it. It's probiotic, good for your gut. It's a lot cheaper than probiotics. I pay maybe $40 for a month's worth of probiotics in a bottle, and I can make this for a whole month's worth in $2.
No kidding.
No kidding.
Now, probiotics is something that's very important, especially when you're taking antibiotics.
Yes, absolutely. It restores your healthy gut flora. So what does that? It's not just tea. Let's get to it.
All right.
All right, so I've got some green tea here. The equation for kombucha is 4 tea bags to every half gallon.
4 tea bags for every half gallon.
Of water.
Of water,
yes.
okay.
So this has already been cooling. This is green tea. You can use green, black, or red tea.
Okay.
Then we're going to add in some sugar, and you're going to say, wait, Julianne, sugar's the devil. Why are we putting sugar in this? Sugar's not good. Well, because we have to feed our SCOBY, which is the next part, and just like your Gigapet y'all were talking about earlier, you have to feed it or else it'll die.
Okay.
So it will eat this and turn it into all of those enzymes and good things for you.
Okay.
So we've got this. All right, we're going to pour it into our container that will ferment. So I've just got a glass container here. My sugar did not dissolve
Here,
very
I'll hold
well.
that so it doesn't...
Thank you. All right, so this is green tea.
Ow! Ow! No, I'm just kidding. It's not that
It shouldn't be. So you want to make sure this is cool before you add your SCOBY because you will kill it if you don't.
Okay.
And so a SCOBY looks like a brain. It's really strange looking. Have you ever seen one?
No, I sure haven't.
Do you know what SCOBY stands for?
No, but you're going to tell me.
I will tell you. It is a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast.
Okay.
So this is the magic doer.
And how do you make that?
You buy it online or find a friend with one, and whenever you start making these, they make a new one every time. So when I pull this up, you're going to see this gross looking brain thing, and look, it's already growing a second one. So we're going to add that in there, and then...
And you drink this?
You drink this. Now you said that you don't wear a watch, which is a good thing because this takes 7 to 10 days to ferment.
Okay, 7 to 10 days to ferment.
Okay.
And how would you go about doing that?
I'm going to show you. You take a dark cloth and you put it over the top. You still want some airflow, but you want to prevent anything else from getting in there that might grow, because you don't want to grow mold or yucky things in there, because then you've wasted everything. That's not good for you. So once it's done, I put mine in these bottles like this, in a little Perrier bottle. I reuse it. You hear the little fizz.
And this is a probiotic.
This is a probiotic drink that is full of B vitamins. You know those, what are those shots that you can take that make you feel great, or supposedly the 4-hour energy or whatever?
Right.
This is like that. This is like that, except better for you. So all the sugar's been digested by the SCOBY. So you want to make it sweet. See the nice little fizz you've got
How much
there?
of this do you recommend drinking? How often?
It's really up to you. I drink as much as possible.
Really?
But I have tummy issues. I have Crohn's disease, and so my gut is never happy. So, well, mostly happy, but I try to keep it that way. So, in order to make this palatable, because it's not everybody's cup of tea.
Ah! That was good.
We need to add in some juice. So just like you would with your favorite cocktail to make whatever, this is not very alcoholic, so don't worry about it. Kids can even drink it. I will add in some concentrate. We've got cranberry, tart cherry, or pomegranate. What would you like today, Todd?
I'll try some of the cherry.
This is cranberry. Oh, you want cherry?
Yeah, let's do the cranberry.
Okay, we'll do a little bit of cranberry in here. Woo! All right, mix that up. And so you're getting the antioxidants of the wonderful cranberry here as well.
So I can have a little drink of this?
You can have a little drink of it.
I'll be honest with you, that SCOBY
looks terrifying.
That really kind of freaked me out, I'll be honest with you.
Well,
but I'm going to try this.
Here, hold on, let's do it together so that
we're going to toast?
Yeah, so you don't think I'm trying to poison you.
Yeah, well, if I'm here after the break, you'll know. If I'm not.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. Not bad. It's kind of bland. Just it's really bland.
But, I'm cheap, so $40 for a month or $2 for a month.
That's not bad to do that.
Take a shot.
All right, real quick, your website?
Oh, wellnessandlittlerock.com. Or you can find me on Facebook at Julianne Bitely, Holistic Health and Nutrition, and we can continue the discussion. This is a great book for fermented foods. So.
All right. We'll be right back to wrap things up. Stay with us, everybody. We'll have a little bit more kombucha.
Kombucha.